Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video is based on this new thing at Sephora where you can get these play boxes for $10, no subscription required until they run out. So basically, you get these before they run out and they do go very fast. Now, I got 3 of them and they retail for $10 each, and you get a whole bunch of products in each bag. I haven't peeked in any of the bags. I did have to open the boxes to take out the bags to save time, but if you like unboxings like this style and just general unboxings, I do those on my channel as well. Then you can like this video if you do. While you are watching, subscribe to my channel if you are not already, and let's just go ahead and get started. The first play, it's the Sephora play. So the first bag I have is here, and I know nothing about it, but what I got in here, the Drunk Elephant cleanser. It's the melting butter cleanser. That's a lot, 13 grams. So that's just one little thing in there. I also got Clinique Take the Day Off makeup remover. Wow. For lids, lashes, and lips. So it's specific, I guess. And Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Triple Detox Shampoo. These are all really big sizes. Then I got, ooh, this Bite Beauty lipstick. This looks like a beautiful color in glace. I wonder how that, what am I doing wrong here? Oh, so that looks like that. Here, we'll swatch it. Wow, that's a beautiful color. I wonder if it will go over my lipstick. I don't know, but I love Bite Beauty products. I still have 2 more for this. We have perfume. Juliet Has a Gun. I wonder how that smells. Let me just smell it. See and try to explain it to you guys. Ooh, so it's a little bit floral, a little bit of vanilla. It's really nice. It's like a romantic scent. So that is really cool. And then the last thing, ooh, a nice brand, Caudalie, is the Vino Pure Serum, Skin Perfecting Serum. So that bag was really a really good bag for $10. Get all those things. That will last a long time, especially if you travel a lot. Just bring all that stuff with you, and it's perfect. Ooh, I forgot to mention, in each one of these, you get 50 points towards, your insider points. So that's cool. I just got 150 points. That's pretty awesome. Total fail on my part. I have one of the same bags, which means a mini giveaway. So I'll be giving away one of these bags to you guys, the one I just unboxed. So here's our next one. And ooh, wow, already? Kiehl's Ginger Leaf and Hibiscus Firming Mask. Look at this. This looks like it's complete full size. Some of these Kiehl's products like this retail for $68. Oh my gosh. I love Kiehl's. Doesn't smell like anything, but you get a really good amount. This is amazing for $10, guys, and these go fast. There's 35 options to choose from, so you can go and look on there and see which one you want and just add to your cart. Now we've got the Lancome Bifacile Double Action Eye Makeup Remover. That is very handy, especially if you travel. And just to put on a cotton round and remove eye makeup only, that's really amazing. Next, wow, highlighters take forever to go through. I've got Becca Champagne Pop Highlighter. And it is busted, but that's okay. I'll just repress it. Let's go ahead and swatch her. So that's Champagne Pop. That's beautiful. I don't have that in my collection. I can't believe I don't have that in my collection, but I don't. Now we have a perfume. Ooh, my favorite, Dolce & Gabbana Light Blue. That is my ultimate favorite. This one's not so impressive, but the first one I did was really great. Then we've got Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser for all skin types. These are really good sizes. And then the last thing we have is Moisturizer Need a Confidence Boost. These are self-tanning drops from Isle of Paradise. So that's really cool. I wonder if they go right to your face. Yeah, you could do the face. So 2 drops on the face, and it's vegan, cruelty-free. That's amazing. And that's all that was in that one? The first one seemed really impressive. So yes, I have an extra one of these, which includes the Clinique Take the Day Off, the Bite Beauty lipstick. We've got the makeup remover from Drunk Elephant, the Jo Malone perfume, and the Caudalie, and the Living Proof. This one was by far the best one. I can't tell you what variant this one is, but just, it'll show you pictures. Just look for, you know, obviously like the purple right here, and the green Drunk Elephant, and pick like 5 of them because they go super, super fast, especially after a sale like this. So yeah, just a quick unboxing video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you're going to pick any of these up. By the way, you don't need a subscription. It is not a subscription service. These are just up for grabs, $10 a piece, and you can get 35 different options. So there's one for everyone out there. I know that the last time I looked, there was only about 11 options left. So get it while you can. These are only $10, no subscription required. I would go ahead and just get them because they are amazing, especially for travel, especially if you want to try something from a brand, but you don't want to commit to, you know, paying a full price for something. That way you get to try a whole variety of different things and then commit to something you really actually do like. It brings me out of my comfort zone, meaning normally I wouldn't try some of this stuff, but now that I have it, I'm happy I do, and I look forward to using it. So a lot of these brands are very high end. I've heard a lot of great things about some of these brands. So very excited to try these. And yeah, if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are not already. I love you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.